All right, so let's look at an example where it is actually applied to a word problem. A gym currently has 2,000 members. It expects to grow 12% per year. How many members will it have in 6 years? So the first thing, let me see the colors I used, is it has 2,000 members. That has is the starting value, the initial value. So that is my A, so the A value is 2,000. Next, we see right here that we are growing. So we are talking about growth. And the rate at which this gym is growing is, and I covered it up a little bit, 12% per year. So that means 12% as a decimal. So if to get it as a whole number, as a percentage, we multiply by 100, we do the opposite. 12 divided by 100. To get 0.12, or the shortcut, take the decimal point at the end and move it 2 places to the left. So the rate is 0.12. So because we are growing, B is equal to 1 plus, growth is plus, 0.12. In other words, 1.12. All right, so before we get to this bottom part, if we put all those pieces together, our equation would be y equals 2,000, parentheses, 1.12 to the power of x, or in talking about years, we'll use t. Since that's my equation, there's another part of the question. It's asking how many members will it have in 6 years. I'll go back and look. What color code do I use? T is time. So the desired time period is 6 years. So that when they want us to calculate, instead of putting t, we're going to put 6 years in that equation. So we have to do it color coded, 2,000, and then in parentheses, 1.12 to the power of 6. So the gym will have about something in 6 years. And that's what we're trying to find. So I'm going to type that into my calculator, 2,000, 1.12, raise it to the power, use the caret key, 6. You know what? I put 200, not 2,000. So in about 6 years, the gym will have about, we can't have a partial person, so we're going to always bump that up when we're talking about people. The gym will have 3,948 people in 6 years. If you don't have a calculator like this to do all your fancy stuff with, you can always do it on Desmos. Let me show you. All right, in Desmos, you would do the exact same thing we did on the calculator, so 2,000, parentheses, 1.12, close your parentheses. Remember, you can do the caret key on your keyboard or on this Desmos keyboard, this key right here. This is the key you're going to press. Nope. All right, so if I press that key, that brings it up, and then I do 6. And it gives me the exact same answer I had on my calculator. I'm going to give you a couple practice problems of these to do. Good luck, and then you'll move on to the next section of these notes.